Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alwan Arif. I'm from 2EE, cooperation with GMFR, Garuda Maintenance Facilities class. In this case, I'll explain about FMS or Flight Management Systems. So, enjoy my video. Before I'll explain about the FMS, looking at the many aircraft and at actives and before, we often wonder why there is a proficient third person. It means a flight engineer in the cockpit. If such a person is truly required or important, why don't we have in modern aircraft? The answer is simple. As in other fields, a computer has replaced such a person in modern aircraft. No more do we need a flight engineer to check for the path correction, communication, faults, etc. These computers, systems, sensors, and navigationals are called the FMS. Besides all of that, these FMS have a many function. A FMS is an onboard, multi-purpose navigation, performance, and aircraft operations computer, designed to provide virtual data and operational harmony between closed and open elements associated with a flight from pre-engine start to takeoff and to landing and engine shutdown. A primary function is in-flight management of the flight plan using various sensors such as GPS and INS to determine the aircraft position. An FMS compares four main components. It's FMC, AFCS or AFGS, the aircraft navigation systems, and AVIS. For FMC is a computer system that uses a large database to allow routes to be pre-programmed and fed into the system by means a data loader. The AFCS or AFGS receives sensors information from other aircraft systems, depend upon whether the aircraft in under autopilot or manual control. For the navigation system is an integrated package which calculates continuously the aircraft position. In the case of AVIS, the display of these navigational inputs is predicted on the altitude and heading of reference systems or AHRS. Seems like a principal task of the FMS to determine the aircraft position and accuracy of that position. The simple FMS use the single sensors, generally GPS, in order to determine position, but modern FMS use a sensor as many as they can, such as VORs, in order to determine and validate their exact position. Some FMS use a Kalman filter to integrate the position from the various sensors into a single position. Common sensors include airline quality GPS as the primary sensor. Radio is designed for aircraft navigation, act as the second highest quality sensors. These include DME, VORs, and IRS. FMS contain a navigation database. The navigation database contains the elements from which the flight plan is constructed. There are divided via the Orange 424 standard. This navigation updates every 28 days. The FMS contains all of the information and system required for building a flight plan, navigating the plan, using airplanes, and perform course corrections. This include waypoints, airways, radio navigation aids, airports, runway, and exit route. The typical FMS uses two FMS and FMCs that operate independently as the pilot unit and the co-pilot unit. In normal operation, the pilots and co-pilots divided to workload with the pilot's schedule set to supervise and interface with operational parameters, and the co-pilot schedule handling navigational course. So all in all, the FMS is a fundamental part of the modern aircraft avionics. This refers to the electronic systems on the aircraft and provide communications, navigations, display systems, sensors, and etc. My presentations about flight management system. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys can enjoy about my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.